So we had added these little tabs, I guess we call them, on the eaves over on the front porch. I can maybe zoom in, right? You can maybe see some of them there. And I was so excited about this concept. I had never really been super happy with the eaves on the cottage, but this is a really cool addition. And one of the reasons it goes with it so good is because the slate roof, I don't know if you can see, but it also has some slate that have that 45 on the corners. So it kind of goes with this feel. And what they are is 1.5 inches. You can see them right here. And then cut at 45s, basically 3 lengths, but even that, it turns out, isn't very critical. I've primed and painted them, 2 coats of paint, put the siding nails in. These are 3-inch, so they're going to stick in about 1.5 inches because they're 3-inch, and this is 1.5 inches. And then we're putting them on. And you can see the nail heads. They're not too big. I'm going to come back through and just touch a little paint on them. They are galvanized, so they shouldn't rust, but we'll keep an eye on them. If we need to, we'll have to caulk them and then paint them a little bit, but I think they'll be okay. And you can see from what effect we're getting, and I'll back up and give you a wider view here. And I think it's a cool addition, so I plan on doing this in a few more places on this, mainly where they had added on roofs. Give these roofs a little bit more of a icing on the cake feel. And I think it's cool.